I'm gonna share my top 5 lipsticks that I use every day. Like I can use it every single day. Let me show you. So number 1 has to be a brown lipstick. This is from Faces Canada. Just look at it. It's so creamy. I love this one. It glides on like a butter, you know. How pretty is it? Number 2 is this Pack Cosmetics Nude lipstick in the shade Adore. It's so pretty. It's like a nude pink color. I usually use it with a brown lip liner, but you can use it like this also. It looks so pretty. Next is this cute lollipop kind of a lipstick. It's from Sugar Cosmetics. It is such a rich, pretty purplish color. I love it. Just look at how pretty it is. Obviously, I'm gonna include a red lipstick. It's from Love Earth in the shade Bloody Mary. It's a rich red shade. Just look at that, how pretty it is. Only with one swipe. This is the color. It's so creamy. It makes you look brighter. Last but not the least, this is from Hilary Rhoda and this is in the shade Pink Candy. It's like a pink glossy lipstick. Just look at that. How pretty. It's like a glossy kind of a. It's so bright pink, I know, but after doing your whole makeup it's gonna look amazing. And I love it like this also, like you can wear it without makeup. It's so glossy, by the way. These were my top 5 lipsticks. I'm gonna link all of them down below.